Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to sync or unsync SharePoint to File Explorer. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To get started, open your SharePoint site and navigate to the document library you want to sync. Before proceeding, make sure you have the necessary permissions to access and sync the files. After that, click the Sync option to begin. If Microsoft OneDrive is not already installed on your computer, SharePoint will prompt you to download it. Follow the prompt and install the latest version of OneDrive. Once the installation file has been downloaded, run it and complete the setup process on your device. After OneDrive has been installed, return to your SharePoint document library and click the Sync button again. A confirmation window will appear asking you to open Microsoft OneDrive. Select the option to continue. You will then be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. Enter your email address, click Sign In, and provide your password when requested. Once you're signed in, the sync process will start, and SharePoint files will become available through a folder on your computer. You can open File Explorer and access the synced files directly from there. If you'd like quicker access, right-click the synced folder and choose Pin to Quick Access. You can also create a desktop shortcut by right-clicking the folder, then go to More Options, then select Send To, and then choosing Desktop Create Shortcut. Now, if you go to your desktop, you will see the shortcut that you have just created. If you decide to stop syncing the SharePoint library in the future, click the OneDrive icon from the system tray on your taskbar. Open the Settings menu by clicking the gear icon, then go to Settings. Then go to Accounts. Locate the synced SharePoint site and choose Stop Sync. After that, select Unlink Account if you no longer want OneDrive connected to that SharePoint location. Once these steps are completed, the SharePoint library will no longer sync with File Explorer. And that's it. So that's basically how you can sync or unsync SharePoint to File Explorer. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.